How to fix yellow seedlings.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an issue that is all too familiar for many gardeners: yellow seedlings. If your young plants are showing signs of a yellow hue, it's clear that they're in distress. But don't worry. Today we will teach you how to diagnose and fix this common problem.
What causes yellow seedlings?
Before we can fix the problem, we need to understand what causes it. Yellow seedlings are often a sign of nutrient deficiencies, particularly a lack of nitrogen, iron, or magnesium. This can happen if your plants are growing in poor quality soil or if they've used up all the nutrients in their current environment. Another common cause is overwatering or underwatering. Both of these conditions can stress your plants and lead to yellow leaves. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the plant to become dehydrated. Lastly, yellow leaves can be a sign of incorrect lighting. Seedlings require a lot of light to grow, and if they're not getting enough, they may turn yellow.
How do I fix nutrient deficiencies?
First, test your soil. You can use a home testing kit to do this, or you can take a sample to your local extension service. This will tell you what nutrients your soil is lacking. Once you know what your plants need, you can add the right type of fertilizer. For nitrogen deficiencies, a balanced fertilizer should do the trick. If your plants need more iron or magnesium, consider using a specific supplement. Remember to follow the instructions on the package closely. Over-fertilizing can be just as harmful as under-fertilizing.
How do I correct my watering habits?
If overwatering is your problem, try to allow the soil to dry out slightly between watering sessions. The top inch of soil should be dry before you water again. This will ensure your plants are getting enough water without drowning them. If you're not watering enough, the solution is simple: water more. However, be sure not to overcompensate by flooding your plants. Remember, it's all about balance.
How do I provide adequate lighting?
Seedlings typically need about 14 to 16 hours of light per day. If they're not getting enough natural light, you might need to supplement with a grow light. If your seedlings are getting too much light, you may notice that the leaves are not just yellow, but also curled or scorched. In this case, you should move your plants to a location with less intense light or provide some shade during the hottest parts of the day. Fixing yellow seedlings is all about identifying and addressing the root of the problem, whether that's nutrient deficiencies, watering habits, or lighting conditions. With careful observation and a little bit of patience, you can nurse your seedlings back to health and enjoy a beautiful, green garden. Thank you for joining us today, and happy gardening!